For exercise 4, we're just going to use all those skills that we have learned so far through exercises 1 through exercise 3. So we have here a spreadsheet that's showing the wages for 4 employees of the splash water slides. So let's just start with Josh here. So Josh has worked 40 regular hours during 1 week, at which he gets paid $8 an hour. He also worked 3 overtime hours, at which he's going to get paid time and a half. So to figure out what his pay rate is for time and a half, we are going to take, into our formula bar, the equal sign. We're going to take his regular pay rate and we're going to multiply it by 1.5. So for those 3 hours that he worked overtime, he's actually going to make $12. His gross pay will then be, in the formula bar, it will equal the number of regular hours times his pay rate plus the number of hours that he worked overtime times his overtime pay rate. Now, just notice here that I did not put brackets around here. I could have, but the spreadsheet does follow BEDMAS, so it will do the multiplication before it does the adding. If you're unsure about any of what the order that you want the computer to do it in, add the brackets. So I'm actually going to add the brackets in this one, just to make sure, so that we know that the first bracket is going to be what he made with his regular hours, and the second bracket is going to be what he made with his overtime hours, and then we're going to add them together. Press enter, and we get our gross pay. And we want to fill in the rest of our numbers. So I'm going to highlight actually both of those cells. So I just held the mouse down, highlighted both of them. Then I'm going to pull those cells down, and it fills in all our numbers for us. For our total pay, we want to add up all our gross pays. So we are going to go into our formula bar, equals, and we're going to be doing a sum, bracket, and I want to add up these 4 cells. Again, I'm going to highlight the first one, F2. I'm going to go into the corner, hold the mouse down, drag it down so that I'm including F2 through to F5, close the bracket, and press enter, and we have our total amount. When you're filling in your worksheet, you just need to click on the cell. The cell actually shows the actual calculation, but up in the formula bar, it shows you the formula that was used to figure that value out.